Now, in this video, we will be studying about different types of forces. We can mainly categorize forces into two categories, that is contact forces and non-contact forces. In contact forces, we come across two types of forces, that is muscular forces and friction. And in non-contact forces, we have magnetic force, electrostatic force and gravitational force. Now, contact force. What is a contact force? A force which can be exerted by an object on another object only through physical touching is called a contact force. Muscular force is a kind of contact force, and this force is exerted by the muscles of the body, and that is why it is known as muscular force. Muscular force is the force exerted by the muscles of our body. We use muscular force for various activities. Animals like bullocks, horses, camels, donkeys, elephants also use muscular force to perform various tasks, and human beings also use our muscular force in performing different tasks. Friction is, you must have observed in your daily life that when you throw a ball with a force, it stops after some times. Why? It is because of the force of friction. Force of friction is a force which opposes the motion of an object over the surface. For example, a ball rolling on ground gradually slows down and comes to rest due to the friction or the frictional force. If we stop paddling a bicycle, it gradually slows down and comes to stop due to the force of friction. Non-contact force. Non-contact force is a force which can be exerted by an object on another object even from a distance without touching each other is called non-contact force. Type of non-contact force is magnetic force. It is exerted by the magnets, and the example is force of attraction and repulsion between the two magnets. Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is also a non-contact force exerted by the charged body on another charged or the uncharged body. For example, a plastic straw charged by rubbing with paper attracts a suspended plastic straw. A plastic straw charged by rubbing with paper repels a suspended plastic charged by rubbing with paper. Electrically charged comb attracts tiny pieces of paper. And the last one is the gravitational force. Gravitational force is the force of attraction between the two objects possessing mass, and it is the gravitational force between the sun and the earth which holds the earth in its orbit around the sun. The force with which the earth pulls the object towards it is called the force of gravity. For example, a ball thrown upward falls down, a ripened fruit falling from a tree.